This is American Upland Cress. American Upland Cress is a dead-end trap plant, which means the insects that develop from eggs that are laid on the American Upland Cress will take one bite and that will be the end of them. They might not necessarily drop off the plant for a couple of days, but they won't be able to take another bite. American Upland Cress is fantastic for planting among brassicas. We have been planting it at the Macleod Organic Community Garden and in our own home for years now, and we rarely have a hole in any of our brassica leaves, that is the broccolis, the cabbages and the cauliflowers. This patch here can be broken up into a number of plants. It will grow in autumn to generally to about 30 centimetres height with lots of little yellow flowers, and they will seed prolifically. So either save the seed or just watch out for the little seedlings coming up like this, coming up in your garden, and transplant them in between your brassicas. I usually put them in a figure 5 on a dice pattern with the American Upland Cress being the centre dot.